Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Audible for free. Right, so if you want to listen to an Audible audiobook for free, you can do that if you haven't claimed the Audible free trial offer yet. So as you can see, Atomic Habits, and if you claim this free trial offer, it's gonna be a $0 for this audiobook, and you can claim this free trial offer by using this Audible 30-day free trial offer page. I have the link of this page in the description below, so you can check it out by clicking there, and you can read here that what are the terms of the free trial. But basically, if you cancel it right after you get the free trial, you're not gonna be charged with anything, and you can get one Audible credit, and with that one Audible credit you're going to be able to use Audible for free for 30 days and get one audio book for free. So basically most books that are popular on Amazon have an audiobook version. So now and just click on get 30 days free here, sign in or sign up for Amazon, and you're going to be able to listen to that audiobook for free. So now this is how to use Audible for free.